guys, today we're going to be reviewing Bharat IAS and KAS Academy, which is located in Bangalore at RT Nagar in Bangalore. And to review this institute, we're going to be visiting a website called blog.education. This website is extremely credible. It has been around for 11 years. They are one of the oldest websites to give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial, and Sulekha, so that you don't have to go and visit all of these websites and spend hours researching the right institute that caters to your needs. Blog.education does that for you. So a little overview about Bharat IAS and KAS Institute. They are a premier institute pioneered in coaching students to succeed in various competitive exams like IAS, KAS, SSC, IBPS, PDO and many other exams. We have a track record of coaching about 8 years with 2000 plus students who have benefited from their programs. Many of their students have succeeded with flying colors and are serving in various posts across departments in the government. They have very highly qualified faculty, and those faculty members have succeeded in these competitive exams, and they are guiding you to succeed as well. So they offer 5 courses and they have 40 batches. And their program for this year for IAS starts in 2 days. They provide you with a demo class as well. Our education has given an overall rating of 4 out of 10 to this academy. This rating is very mediocre, definitely not good. You can also see the rating that our education is given to this academy on different parameters. Everything so far seems very average. This is based on their IAS results. So they have very poor past year results. Their infrastructure is not great. Their batch size is also large and it's not good. Their faculty quality is not good. Their fees is not good either. So some of the pros of this institute, however, are that they have good infrastructure, good past year results, qualified and experienced faculty, and they have a very affordable fee that they provide. So on this page you can also find student reviews. Both good and bad student reviews will be given on this page. In fact, if you have studied here, you can also give your review about an institute on this page. So one of the students who has studied here is saying that I would like to thank the entire team of Bharat IAS for their exemplary work that they have helped me clear KAS exam. I would rate this institute at a 4.25 out of 5. The teaching staff, management, guidance on and off the classroom, all put together a great place for serious aspirants. Undoubtedly one of the finest coaching institutes in Bangalore for civil service exams. So this is a very good review. Then they motivate the students in class who are not serious, otherwise this may hinder the serious candidates. And it is located in RT Nagar. Another student is saying that this is one of the worst institutes for civil service coaching. They lack service and they focus only on money making. So you can see here one good review and one bad review are posted on this page by the students who have studied here. This is their address, their contact number. Their fees is very affordable, you guys. They're providing a lot of amenities and they are just charging 70,000 for 1 year, which is very affordable compared to the other institutes we have seen so far. Their batch size is 50. This is actually quite a good batch size. Their past year results are 60%. They have very good Google reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. Now these are the frequently asked questions. When will the new batch begin in Bharat IAS and KAS Coaching Institute? So the new batch will commence from 2nd and 7th January 2019. So now 2020, again the dates will be the same. And they take optional subjects that they offer are anthropology, public administration, geography, rural development, political science. These are all the optional subjects for which you have to pay separately. How is the study material that they provide you at Bharat IAS and KAS Coaching Institute? The study material is, the study material includes test series, current affair magazines given to students, and they help in preparation of the UPSC exams. They are even sold in the market and they are popular among students. Test series is average as per Google reviews. How are the faculty members at Bharat IAS and KS Institute? The faculty members are very cooperative, very friendly, they are experienced and professional, they are polite and start class on time, they are good and knowledgeable as per Google reviews. How is the past year results of this institute? So the past year results, the institute claims the past year results on their website. You can check it on their website, and usually when an institute claims their past year results on their website, that shows that the institute is very credible. Overall, how is Bharat IAS and KS Coaching Institute? It is not very popular for UPSC, but it is the best institution for SSC and banking. Faculty members of this institution are also good and give you attention. Study material for SSC and banking also is very good. So I hope this review was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all of your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.